Hey everybody, it's Erin Reed, and today I'm going to show you a super fast and easy way of adding a little cupcake topper using your scrapbook supplies. I mean, this could not be simpler. Daughter's birthday is coming up, and we are actually going to be using these cupcakes for her birthday party, and I made a cute little cake topper, like a cupcake tray that can rest on it, and of course everything has to be super pink. So if you want to see the tutorial about how to make this, go check out the Expo International YouTube channel. The link will be up at the top in the iCard, so go check that out and you guys can see how to make this. It's super fun. And not only that, it also has a little base it stands on, so it is elevated so the fringe will fringe. And it is removable, so this entire top part actually is removable from the plate underneath, so you can switch out the colors and make it whatever you want. You can make it a Halloween theme, Christmas theme, whatever theme and color you wish to go for. But what I'm going to show you today is super fast and easy way of making the cute little cupcake toppers that you see up here. Easy supplies, a little bit of paper, and I got a paper that is reversible. That way you could go both directions. I have found for this particular size of number, actually, this sticker that we're using, a 1/2 inch strip is perfect. I've also found out that 2.5 inches in length is the perfect length for the little parts, the little banner that's going up at the top. So you just trim that up right there. So now we have our 2 strips, and I am very fortunate that my daughter is turning 6 this year, or it also would work if you're 9, because 6s and 9s can be interchangeable. So I can get a heck of a lot more out of one little sticker pack. This is a Momenta numbers. This is just numbers. But the other thing you can do is, if you don't have all of one of the exact same, pull out some of your random stickers that you have, and as long as they all fit in your color theme. Like my daughter's is pink, so I picked a gray, so it wouldn't be super pink, but pink would work too. I just didn't have pink stickers, but I had gray. But white, black, a color, you can mix and match them. Have fun with that. They don't have to be identical. That is the beautiful thing about this. All right, I did miss a step. I'm going to put these on my hand. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to fold the paper in half to give me that middle line. So that way I know where I'm placing my sticker on there, so it sticks right where I want it to. So now that I have the fold, I can take my sticker and I'm going to place it a little bit closer to what I would call where the post is going to be, because I'm going to trim a little bit off the end. Do the same thing for the other one. Makes life so super simple. And again, like I said, if you've got a 6 or a 9-year-old, this works great. But really, truly, you can make the numbers for whatever age the child is, or adult. This would be cute for adults too. I mean, stick a 40 on there. Works. Now I'm going to take my Xyron sticker maker and I'm going to pop both these in because they fit nicely in my 1.5 inch sticker maker. So I just pop these in and I pull. It can be simpler. I'm going to give it a little tiny rub here. And then before I get all that on my hands, I'm going to grab a couple of toothpicks. So a couple of good toothpicks. Peel this off, kind of set this off to the side. And I'm going to place my banner, that toothpick there, right where that little fold mark is. I'm going to place it right at the top, making the top of the toothpick come all the way to the top of my fold, just like that. And if your fold is not perfect, meaning that you kind of did a little bit, you want to make sure that they're folded just right from side to side. But if, like, for instance, this piece, I misjudged the length of it when I folded, not a big deal, because now you're going to go in through scissors and you give it a little tiny bit of a fishtail. And you don't, because it's so small, don't worry about being perfect about it. And there it is. Look how easy and fun that was. So super simple. And I can do the same thing with the other one. Oh, I was going to show you the backwards. Well, we're going to do that. So pretend I didn't do that one. I was going to show you what it looks like with the reverse paper, which I think is super sweet. I'm going to run this through. I'm going to leave that one. I have more 6s, and I got to make more of these anyway. So pull that through. And that's what's kind of fun about having the reverse paper, is that you can mix and match these colors, but they all kind of work. Like, the colors are all very similar. So again, I'm going to put this on here like that. There we go. So yeah, you could do it that way too. Get your toothpick, place it in there, make sure this folds correctly. This was so much easier when I was doing this off camera. Camera stage fright, what can I tell you? All right, so pop that on there. Look how simple. I need to move this little sticker a tiny bit over. Really make sure that it's on there. If your stickers have lost a little bit of their sticky, you can always run them through your Xyron to kind of re-stick them. That'll help nicely. With that little fishtail. And boom, look at that. Two cute little toppers that you can then fit into your cupcakes just like this. So look how adorable they are. They're so super sweet. I love that. Now these are ready to go to my daughter's birthday party. You don't have to put a topper in every single cupcake. If you just did half the cupcakes and you have them sitting on a tray like this, everybody's going to get the idea. Because in the other ones, you could put candles. So it really depends on how you're going to go for it. Or you could put like the big number of the person, like a 6, in for one of the cupcakes that the birthday girl or boy would get. Obviously, with all the pink, my daughter's going to want this. So thanks so much for stopping by. Don't forget, all links for supplies are down below. And don't forget to check out the video about how to make your own cupcake tray liner topper. Super cute with some fringe and pom-pom trim and felt from Expo International and Kuhn & Felt. So super simple. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye-bye.